Good morning, everyone, and I hope you're all having a good Tuesday. I just wanted to loop back with everyone regarding our class yesterday. It was really nice to see a lot of you. It was nice to hear your voices and have your opinions. For those of you who did not make the live WebEx, that was our one session this week. Therefore, I need you to send me an email and set up a time to meet with me one-on-one in WebEx so that we can just sort of talk about what your expectations are for this week and review the ideas of values, bias, and stereotypes from last week, okay? So I would like you to know that you have two worksheets this week. The first is about being an American. You're going to have a reading where you will read one section from two different sources, and then you're going to answer 5 questions about those, what your observations are, compare and contrast, tell what the tone is. And then after that, you're going to create a model Facebook page, a fake one. It's called Fake Book of the Average American. You're going to make the average American person up. You're going to take a picture. It can be anyone's picture, whatever you think the average American is. It could be your own picture. It could be scenes from your life. You're going to do a profile pic and name. You're going to do the About Me section with 5 sentences. You're going to do status updates. You're going to do check-ins, and you're going to do friends. It's all clearly itemized on that worksheet. The second task that we have starting on Thursday is you are going to take a political ideologies test. This is going to give you some insight onto where you stand in the political ideologies realm. There are conservatives and there are liberals. There are strong conservatives, moderate conservatives, the same with liberals. You're going to find that out when you take this fact and issue-based test that will determine where you sit in that realm. After that, you are going to do a reflection about your ideologies. And lastly, you will watch a video of me and a PowerPoint that will talk about your political ideology key terms and ideas. So that's what we have for this week. And again, if you didn't make it to the class yesterday, please go ahead and send me an email and let's set up a time to meet today or tomorrow or sometime before the end of the week so I can count you all present, okay? I hope you have a good day and know that I'm online all day, every day, so you're welcome to send me emails and ask questions.